what we normally
hata
do,
kama ni chief of protocol.
hata kuja na president.
Your Excellency, sir, may I now...
Through the work of the Aga Khan Development Network, whether in health, education, culture, economic development, or the environment, our aim has always been to improve the quality of life for all, regardless of background or faith. We are proud that our programs and institutions serve millions of Kenyans from all walks of life across the spectrum of human endeavour.
As we celebrate this landmark moment, we equally look to new opportunities to deepen our collaboration in areas at the heart of Kenya's transformation. We welcome your partnership in affordable housing, a flagship initiative that will deliver safe and dignified shelter to millions, while creating thousands of jobs, stimulating industries, and expanding opportunities for small enterprises.